how to change the window animation scale on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra or Edge. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer Options. After that, scroll down to the drawing section. In here, tap on Window Animation Scale. From the pop-up, you can choose Animation Off, Animation Scale at 0.5x, at 1x, at 1.5x, 2x, 5x, and 10x. Select one of the available options. And finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Here, I will change it to say 10x. When there is an animation or when there is an animation that needs to occur, it will basically you see the changes in that. So just trying to see if we can turn on an animation scale that we can have a look. Okay, so once we make the changes, you can see when I turn that on, you can see the animation is gone fading in and out quite slowly. So if I select T1X, this is what it looks like, and this is when it's off. So everything happens instantly. And here, when I choose 10X, everything happens slowly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.